Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to create Brevo email template. Alright, let's begin the video. To start creating an email campaign using Brevo, begin by logging into your account and navigating to the email option on the left side of the Brevo website. Here, you'll find your existing email campaigns. Click on Create an Email Campaign to get started. Enter a name for your campaign and choose whether to create a regular campaign or set up an AB test. Once you've made your selection, click Create Campaign to proceed. Next, select Manage Sender to add the sender's email address and name. This ensures your recipients recognize the sender of the email. After adding these details, click Save. Then, click on Add Recipients to input the email addresses of the recipients who will receive your campaign. You can also organize recipients into folders. Click Save after adding your recipients. Proceed by clicking Add Subject to enter the subject line for your email. Optionally, include preview text, then click Save. To design your email content, click Start Designing. Brevo offers a variety of templates to choose from. Review the available templates and select one that best suits your campaign. Click Use Template and customize it to fit your specific needs. For branding, click Set Up Brand on the left side and save your brand assets if you haven't already. Brevo provides tools to enhance your template, such as adding a payment link by dragging and dropping it into the template. Depending on your campaign objectives, additional options like setting up a survey may appear in a pop-up window. Choose accordingly. Once your email template is ready, click Save and Quit at the top. You can then schedule the email by clicking Schedule. Before sending it out, it's prudent to preview and test your email by clicking the Preview and Test button. Send a test email to others to ensure everything appears and functions as expected. So that's basically how to create Brevo email template. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.